Alright, it's Christmas Eve 2019, and I got some new stuff. So, this is my old case for my AirPods, which are right here, which are AirPods 2. And we got some new goodies for them, but not really related to them. It's a 12-watt power adapter, along with my 10, which I have at home. And what I'm going to be unboxing is an in-clear case for them. It's clear. And a flaw with this old case design is when it would land on the top, the case would fold out of the way and let the lid of the AirPods hit the top here. And I do have to clean these. So I guess let's just open this up then, without destroying it too much. There it is. Nothing in the box. You can take a look at the box. Here's the front. Here they are. Being a little stubborn. It's a lot of fine print on the back. Look at that. Here it is. Here it is. You have the booklet. And grab my AirPods. Give them a bit of a cleaning. And grab them. Grab the case. Slide that into place. Put that on. And there you go. A brand new case for my AirPods. Quite beautiful, actually. I do have to clean it a little more, but there you go. Take this. Put it right back. Put it right back into here. Put it right back in the bag. Yes, they are unwrapping more stuff out there. Yes, I'm fumbling, obviously. Fold this back over. Put the tape back on. And that's finished. And I'll be putting this case back in its box when I get home. And we also have the 12-watt USB adapter. Here's what it's compatible with. I will not be unboxing this today, but just showing a quick overview of it. Yeah. That's pretty much it. New case for my AirPods. And hopefully they'll be protected from now on. Thank you for watching. Tune back in next time for more unboxing videos.